Imagine a world where machines can think and learn on their own, where AI surpasses human intelligence and takes control. It's a future that's both exhilarating and terrifying, and it's coming sooner than you think. As we speak, AI is being developed and deployed at an unprecedented rate, with applications in everything from healthcare to finance. But as AI becomes more powerful, we have to ask, will we be able to control it, or will it control us? Number 1. In 2016, Google's AlphaGo AI defeated a human world champion in Go, a complex strategy board game. This marked a major milestone in AI development, with AlphaGo winning 4-1. The R's victory was seen as a significant breakthrough in the field of artificial intelligence. Number 2. The global machine learning market is expected to grow from $1.4 billion in 2020 to $8.8 billion by 2025, at a compound annual growth rate of 43.8%. This rapid growth is driven by increasing demand for AI and machine learning applications. Major companies like Google and Amazon are investing heavily in machine learning research and development. Number 3. According to a report by the McKinsey Global Institute, up to 800 million jobs could be lost worldwide due to automation by 2030. However, the same report also estimates that up to 140 million new jobs could be created in the same period. The impact of AI on employment will depend on various factors, including the rate of technological change and the ability of workers to adapt to new roles. Number 4. The natural language processing market is expected to grow from $3.3 billion in 2020 to $15.3 billion by 2025, at a compound annual growth rate of 28.5%. This growth is driven by increasing demand for chatbots, virtual assistants, and other NLP applications. Companies like Microsoft and IBM are investing heavily in NLP research and development. Number 5. AI is being used in healthcare to analyze medical images, diagnose diseases, and develop personalized treatment plans. For example, Google's AI-powered LYNA, lymph node assistant, can detect breast cancer from medical images with a high degree of accuracy. AI is also being used to develop new drugs and therapies. Number 6. The global robotics market is expected to grow from $31.4 billion in 2020 to $74.1 billion by 2025, at a compound annual growth rate of 18.3%. This growth is driven by increasing demand for industrial robots, service robots, and autonomous vehicles. Companies like Boston Dynamics and Tesla are investing heavily in robotics research and development. Number 7. As AI becomes more powerful, there are growing concerns about its potential impact on society. For example, AI-powered autonomous vehicles raise questions about liability and accountability in the event of an accident. There are also concerns about AI bias and the potential for AI to perpetuate existing social inequalities. Number 8. AI is being used in education to personalize learning, automate grading, and develop adaptive curricula. For example, AI-powered chatbots can help students with homework and provide real-time feedback. AI can also help teachers to identify areas where students need extra support. Number 9. AI-powered drones are